You're treating this person right here as someone na posibleng feeling mo soulmate kayo, ganyan, okay? Or this is you, pwede rin ikaw yung unang gustong makipagkilala or nakipagkilala sa kanya. Ganun klase ng energy, no? Pero yung iba pwedeng nag-start rin talaga kayo as friends, no? So, yun yung nakita ko dito. But with this, death energy, it looks like something here is about to end. But let us see, no, kung ano yung mag-e-end na yun. But definitely, I'm seeing a scale over here, and the scale isn't balanced. So it looks like there's something here na parang hindi right. Parang there's something here that isn't right. So let us see. Just take only what resonates, guys. And leave the rest ng mga mensahe. Okay, baka kasi yun ay para sa ating other viewers. Okay. Okay, let us see. Someone here could not be telling something here, no? So, with the swords, no, na present dito, mukhang meron siyang i-communicate sa inyo. But with the presence of Seven of Swords, it looks like this person here could be, hiding something, twisting his or her words right here. Could be lying as well. Nagsisinungaling or magsisinungaling. Nine of Swords to the Four of Cups energy is an indication that this is you. Parang ganito ka na parang may mali dito kind of thing. Ganon ka, no? So, let me get all of the energies first, no? Before we, start digging, no? More dito sa inyong reading. Yeah, look at that. See, we have here the moon card right at the center of this reading. Definitely, this person right here is hiding something. Okay? There's a twist sa kanyang mga sasabihin or sinasabi dito because this is timeless. Okay, we have here yun na nga. Yun, no? Five of coins. Page of wands. Wow. Three of coins energy. Bottom of the deck we have here. Yeah, definitely you're right. Okay? Your intuition, your gut feeling ay tama dito. So, hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome, new subscribers, and sa aking mga returning tambayers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay at pag-antabay. And yun nga, kung hindi niyo pa po nalalaman, meron pa po tayong isa pang channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. So, if hindi ka pa nakatry na bumisit dyan, then you can do that. You just click the link, not ma-redirect na kayo dun sa ating other channel kung saan nag-upload din tayo ng daily collective readings for all signs. When we say collective readings, no matter what your zodiac sign is, you can watch and hear the messages, but you also have your free will if you want to claim it or not, if you want to use it as your guidance or not. Okay, and yes, we do not have any gender, so if you are a guy or a woman, lady, girl, boy, LGBT, of course, everybody, you're welcome. Okay, so you can switch roles as well because it is also possible, no, na magkaroon ng swap ng mga roles. Why? It is because this is general reading. So, timeless din ito. So, pwedeng ito ay tapos na nangyari na, no, to some of you. And to some of you, possible na nangyayari na in the present moment or sa kasalukuyang panahon. And to some of you, pwedeng hindi pa. At pwedeng isang prediction sa inyong future. But we have here the Eight of Wands, King of Swords energy. And whoever this energy is that you're dealing with, definitely you are in relationship with this person. But this person here is making a decision like buo na yung decision niya rito, buo na yung loob niya rito. So this person right here with swords present, kagaya ng binanggit ko una pa lamang ng paglay natin ng energy sa ating table, Okay? There's a communication. There's something that this person here is about to communicate to you or pwedeng nakipag-communicate na siya sa'yo rito and with the Eight of Wands, buo na yung loob niya rito. But there's something here, tricky part. Seven of Swords energy. This person here, kung ano man yung sasabihin niya sa'yo rito, no, definitely those are lies. Meaning to say in Tagalog, kasinungalingan yon. So, with this Nine of Swords energy, no, alam mo malakas yung intuition mo, babes, no? With the Nine of Swords with the Four of Cups, no, you feel like there's something wrong. So, even after this conversation or communication, parang masasabi mo sa sarili mo, parang may mali, parang may hindi tama dito, no? So your intuition is telling you something else, no? And you're right. With the moon card energy, your person is hiding something. Your person is actually hiding the truth. We've got here 7-7, okay? Alam naman natin, no, na ang 7-7 is a spiritual number, okay? Wherein your angels, no, your guides, no, they are calling your attention right here, okay? They want you to know that you are right, no? Pagdating dito sa situation na ito, because your person is really lying, your person really is hiding something, and this person here is hiding the truth. What about the truth right here? Ano ba yung nangyayari dito? Your situation is telling me that yung desisyon na gagawin ng person mo, yung buo na yung loob niya rito is that, okay? The King of Swords is acting cold. So, posibleng yung person mo, no, is acting cold recently, no? Parang wala siyang kaamor-amor sa'yo, parang wala siyang gana rito sa'yo, parang wala siya ritong parang sense ng pagka-concern at pagkikare sa inyo. Like, in short, no, panlalamig kind of thing, no? Your person right here is acting cold with the King of Swords energy and it is consistent, no? Up until this person right here came up sa isang desisyon to talk to you, no? At itong conversation na to is yung conversation with the Nine of Swords energy na kinatatakutan mo, no? What about it? Your person, okay, the conversation has something to do with makikipag-break or makikipaghiwalay na siya sa'yo. Yan, no? But the 7-7 right here, no, also means that this person right here is, doing some kind of tricks, no? Para siya ditong magikero, no? Na parang minamagic niya lang dito, no? And what about those magic tricks? Those magic tricks, no, yung parang excuses, no? Yung mga sasabihin niya rito sa inyo ng mga dahilan kung bakit siya rito makikipaghiwalay, makikipag-break, no? Ay yung napakakalmadong mga dahilan, yung pinaka-natural na dahilan, yung natural na dahilan na ano, alam mo ma-example nun? Kasi kailangan ko muna hanapin yung sarili ko. Kasi hindi pa pala ako ready for this type of relationship. Yan, may mga ganun. Or, kasi kailangan ko pang abutin yung iba kong mga pangarap. Yung mga ganun, no? Yung mga general, yung mga ginagamit ng mga tao, no, na gustong tumakas at tumakbo, umescape sa isang relationship. But you feel like that those excuses are not real, are not true. And you are right because dinidepensahan ng person mo with the Seven of Wands energy to the Six of Swords ang tunay na dahilan kung bakit siya rito makikipagkalas sa inyo. Yan, no? Dahil ang tunay na dahilan with the Five of Coins energy and the Page of Wands, meron siya ritong ibang kinahuhumalingan at hindi ito pangarap, hindi ito pera, hindi ito bagay, kundi tao ito mga babes. Yan mga babes, no? So nakikita ko rito na kung sino man siya with the Page of Wands, this is the energy here of excitement, no? Excited siya rito, no? So the abandonment issue, the pag-iwan sa ere sa inyo, no? The pakikipaghiwalay kind of thing, the real reason behind is this. Yan, no? Yung iba pa nga sa kanila, mahal na daw nila yun, no? Paki-spell mo nga yung salitang mahal, no, kahit Tagalog yun, diba? So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, sinasabi niya sa akin dito na gusto niyang mag-build ng something stronger with the person na bago niya ritong kinahuhumalingan. So definitely there's a third party kind of thing, not because we're on the year of the snake, walang kinalaman dito ang year of the snake, but this person year who happens to be the snake, yan no, hindi ko alam kung pinanganak ba siya ng year of the snake or whatever, no. This person here is someone na nakikita ko na posibleng high chance katrabaho niya yun or nakilala niya sa isang katrabaho, no? But definitely, sinasabi niya sa akin rito na yun yung tunay na dahilan pero pilit niyang tinatago sa inyo dahil, hindi dahil para masaktan kayo kasi una sa lahat parang wala siyang pakialam sa inyo talaga eh, no? Kundi para malinis ang kanyang pangalan, you know? Pero alam naman natin mga babes, no, na yung pangalan niya, no, talagang madudumihan talaga yun kapag meron kang ginawang hindi maganda. 'Di ba? Pag may ginawa kang kitarantaduhan, talagang madudumihan yun kahit na napakaganda pa ng pangalang ibinigay ng nanay mo sa iyo, 'di ba? Kaya kung sino man tong energy na to na kumokonek sa inyo, na gustong kumalas at tumakas, no, sa inyong koneksyon, eh, ang tunay na dahilan ay meron siyang iba. Yun lang yun, no? Ayun, no? May iba siyang kinahuhumalingan, may iba siya ritong pinagsasabihan ng, "Hello babe, kamusta ka na? Namimiss kita eh. Kumain ka na ba?" You know? Kasi pag hindi ka kumain, malulungkot ako. Yung mga ganon, no? Sarap tirisin. So, yung iba mahal na daw nila, no? So, pwedeng matagal na rin nila kayo ritong niloloko. Again, this person right here isn't faithful, no? Sa umpisa pa lang dito, dahil nakitaan ko na siya ng red flag, no? Pero yun nga, dahil without any judgment, nagustuhan niyo siya, kaya kayo nakapag-relationship sa kanya without really knowing the real, true colors of this person here. So, yung ibang, lately lang lumabas yung tunay niyang kulay, 'di ba? Kung dati feeling niyo kulay white yung pagkatao niya, yung pala kulay black. May ganon, no? So, yun nga mga babes, nakikita ka dito that this is something here na nagbabother sa inyo. You cannot sleep at night because of this conversation, this communication that your person here, no, is sinabi sa inyo, maghiwalay na raw kayo, mag-break na raw kayo because meron siyang mga reasons, no, na pasensya ka na, hindi ko na po-provide lahat ng pangailangan mo kasi ganito lang yung trabaho ko. WTF, diba? Or WTH, what the heck, diba? What the heck is this person here telling you? Gusto niya makipaghiwalay kasi ganito lang daw yung buhay niya, may, ganito lang yung trabaho niya, gusto niya ibigay sa'yo lahat, gusto niya maging marangyayang buhay ninyo. WTH, what that kind of excuse? Pwede ka naman magsumikap, 'di ba, sa life. Pwede mo naman gawin, pwede naman niyang gawin rito, no, na magsipag, no, to the bones para mabigay niya sa'yo rito kung gusto kanya regaluhan ng Gucci, Chanel, 'di ba? Yung mga mamahalin, no, Tory Burch, na lahat-lahat na, no. So, pwede naman niya yung mangyari, no. Excuse lang yun, 'di ba? Or kailangan ko munang hanapin yung sarili ko. What? Just look, no, sa mirror, di pa ba makita yung sarili mo dyan? Ano ba naman yan, napaka-cliche na yan, di ba? Ano pa yung mga broad na mga dahilan, no? Kasi tutuparin ko muna yung mga pangarap ko. What? Pwede mo naman tuparin yung pangarap mo na nandiyan pa rin si Collective C. This person right here is making some kind of excuses, then kamukat-mukat, no? After ilang months, you're gonna see this person's DP, the profile picture sa kanyang social media, no? Dalawa sila doon, no? And he or she is already in a relationship. So tell me, this person definitely is lying and your intuition is telling you that you're right, na meron talaga siya ritong tinatagong ibang dahilan at yung iba sa inyo tama talaga kayo because with the 2 of coins, 3 of swords, 9 of coins, I mean the 9 of wands energy, pero na-mention ko yung 9 of coins, definitely, pwede talagang high chance katrabaho niya yun. And yeah, iniisip pa talaga dito, baka may iba, baka meron siya rito ibang napupusuan, meron siya ritong ibang minamahal or ibang nagugustuhan, then you're definitely correct. Yan, no? So, yun na nakikita ko rito. No? Pero yun nga, mga babes, no? Yung iba sa inyo, hindi pa to nangyayari, no? But this person right here is acting consistently cold yung pag-treat niya sa inyo or pagtrato niya sa inyo right now, no? At itong mga nakaraan, it is because, yan, no? Meron siya ritong ibang, no? Binibigyan ng warmth, no? Meron siya ritong ibang pinag-kick here. Meron siya ritong ibang labidops, ganun yun, no? So in short, this person right here is one of the hashtag balasubas partner. Diba? So definitely, this person right here is someone na hindi deserve yung attention mo, sweetheart. At hindi niya deserve yung love and affection na binibigay mo. So, para sa akin, hindi bilang isang energy reader, no, I wanna give you an advice right here, no. Don't chase for this kind of person here. No, una sa lahat, hindi ko nakikita, no, na gwapo siya or maganda siya, no. Ano, pero hindi ko sinasabi na may karapatan rin yung mga magaganda at gwapo, 'di ba? Ang sinasabi ko lang dito, no, na hindi siya ah yung klase ng person na dapat habulin, 'di ba? Kasi una sa lahat 'no, dun pa nga lang sa ugali, wala na siya 'di ba, tagilid na 'no. Paano pa sa mukha? Hindi ako nagiging judgmental guys 'no, I'm just telling the truth, 'di ba? So, kung hindi rin naman siya maganda yung ugali at hindi rin naman siya gwapo at maganda, so ano pang hahabulin sa kanya? Wala, 'di ba? So, pabayaan niyo siya dun, 'di ba? Pabayaan niyo na siya dun 'no, sa bago, yun lang yun 'no. Because nakikita ko rito that there's something here na naghihintay ng maganda for you guys 'no. This is not yet being revealed but soon it will 'no. So definitely I'm seeing 'no, isa sa mga parang mga mangyayari maganda sa inyo 'no, is nakikita ko na mag-i-improve yung changes na positive sa inyong kaperahan, that's one 'no. And nakikita ko rito 'no na, mare-release din kayo dito sa, brokenheartedness na kinos ng person na 'to. So definitely your life will be, different 'no, but in a positive way. So definitely let this person here go, pero nasa inyo pa rin 'yan kung gusto ninyong, kumapit sa kanya dito or whatsoever. Pero tama yung hinala mo, your gut feeling 'no is tama because this person right here is meron talagang iba at yun yung rason kung bakit siya nakikipaghiwalay. So yeah, ito yung mga mensahe na nakuha ko here for you guys and for the initials 'no, I'm picking up right here letters K, letter N, letter P, and letter T. So, yan. Baka meron kayong mga initials niyan or siya. Pero if not, it's okay. It's alright. No? Just focus with the energies and the storyline. So, thank you so much again. I'm Yuriana on me. Sarang Heal. Love in Light. Anya.